Okay, next thing you know, yaya ka lang.
Okay,
Okay, double confirm.
1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 15, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Yeah.
60, 61, 62, 63, 64,
Computer.
65, 66.
Oh, yeah. Sobra ta. Okay, we are getting ready for the number Balikbayan bags. 14! Magamay, madako. Kumpara gid siya nimo imo. It's been a long time, my friend. Apil sa Aria?
Wait, also when you have this, you click the button right here.
Okay, we're gonna show them what's in the box. Oh, nice kaayo. Okay, na human og kwa na. Human na og kan double confirm. Agoy di ay.
13.
55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63.
64.
Ay, nako. Ikapilang DC. Meow, 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 meow. Wa na, gisapot na yung yaya. Imbis ready na kahit tapos.
Ano? Kunting!
Asa ang gunting? Wala. Sus, giplaster na ko diri isa, duwa, tulo, upat. Na mao na diya, tapos wala gibalik. Tanggo ta karon. Masiiit ka karon. Ay nako, kay tanggo na siya. Kay dili ta kuan ani na gunting to wrap the box. Usa na siya pag gunting, kit-kitan lugar. Ay nako, asa ba di ay daghan ka mong gunting. Kung mag-ano ta ha, mag PIF shopping, we're gonna buy a lot of gunting, okay? That's for sure. That's number 1 list. Okay, ganun na rami ni reader.
No, look some more in the office room.
Nah, I
You
was
ready?
there already.
You ready?
But go find ko. Asa man di ay uy.
Is that your wallet in the middle of the pocket money?
Yeah, pakimay ni gining wallet tabla. Tabla ang kuan pangarap. Wala gid diha, madam sir. Sao na lang sige mga tulog na lang to eh. Ikapoy ra bagay ko kay. Kamu gusto magkuan, di haro-haro ko ninyo tapos ay nako. I woke up this morning mga around. So oras ning mata. So kasi mga tanan tigi gusto ni okay. No, matulog ko. Mga 3 AM ko nagmata guys, and time check now is 3:47 PM. Murag daron na gyud yaya. Wala gyud. Lawas ra puhunan. Okay, wake me up pag ano makita ninyo ang gonting. If not, then please do not disturb me. I'll give you 1 hour. Ay. Okay, good na. See you next vlog.
The next day.
Just put the on for
Okay, next. Yeah, can you please turn it off? Okay, the next day, cause finally nakapalit ko gunting, which is gabi na pud ko nakapalit. So, wala. Gikapoy yung yaya, so natulog ko. Tapos, time check, mga 1 PM or 2 PM na. And we will do the Balikbayan box. Number
13!
14! So, this is your, ano guys, your free items. And, a total of 66, okay? Again, kumpara siya nimo-imo, and all of the Balikbayan box will come with the palaptop or Chromebook. O, diba? Pak ganun. Again, guys, atong mga items is magamay madako para siya for good sharing na siya because we don't know which one is gonna get it. So, ang atong pa-PIF movement is learn how to PIF. Okay? Sa imo ang okay, OTD check. Hala na, double camera ko. Okay. Okay, let's do this. It's been a while, my friend.
Haven't went bustle yet, but now it's time to let it
Come on,
go.
guys.
Maria, excuse me.
Now, so you don't want to wear glasses now?
Out. It's fine. Guys, do it. Come on.
Look how cool it looks. You
Okay.
guys like those moves?
Welcome back after a million years. Okay.
Read it. Read the teleprompter. Faster. Welcome to the page forward chapter. Behind the scenes, like what are you talking about? There's no teleprompter. This is real. This is live. Well, not live, but you know. And it's Balikbayan box number 14, guys. 14. Yes, it hasn't been easy being easy, but you know what? We gotta do it because 66 items are gonna go in this box. Ready? Set. Go.
What is, this is like the laundry basket?
Could be used for many things. I
You
think.
can like, it's
You
like,
can
it's a,
sit
it's like
on
you can sit
it.
on it and put your stuff inside.
It's super heavy duty.
It is.
Strong.
Magamay man ako.
I even sat on it.
Oh wow.
Oh my.
We have to open it up. And put
Okay,
stuff
open it. You
inside.
have to open it. I mean, just like that. Just like that.
This is the RC remote control car.
You made a special box for it too.
Oh my. Good luck.
Very nice.
Control. And this is a destruction vehicle helmet.
Protect your head.
This is a teddy bear. Teddy bear. And we have like a big puzzle format for kids to play on with the cars.
Wow.
It's for the cars. Remember when it's like play
It's
mat?
a playmats,
Yes.
right?
Play mat Lego kid set. Yeah.
This is a new drink container prototype. We like to use these. They're so cool. Has a long straw, long skinny bottle.
It's one of the boys' pre-love swimwear. Size?
And this is
Life
the thing you
size.
put on your deck so hang on the wall. Also, you gotta click the button on the eel. Even this is a Lego set.
I think you have to be the
For
one
kids.
to repack it. It's pag kuna kaayo. Yeah, it's been a while na.
This is a hat.
Wala.
Nice. Got a groovy
Okay, it's okay.
set.
Just
Groovy
go on.
set
We'll just
costume.
pack it all
Go
up.
on. Just go on. I'll be the one to cut. We can exchange some.
Dako kaayo. This thing, you know what this is? This is a chopper. You know onions, how they're very samok to get all the onions right? This thing will solve that problem because you open that, you put some onions in there, cutting them large, then you tighten this thing up like this, and then you go, and all of a sudden you got diced onions packed in there.
And you can hang out at the beach or something with a beach hat so no sun can be on your face or something.
You said hang out in Greece?
Hang out in the beach.
Ah, my ears are just hearing Greece.
Beach. This is a nice Spider-Man shoes. And this is a Nerf gun. It comes with a bullet. You have to pull it back
I
and
think you have to repack that. You have to repack.
I think we have to just fill things up and then we're gonna have to repack from the
we
very
got brand new
This is already
boots
Or just
for boys.
Okay, sorry.
Because we have
Size,
Okay, you guys go
size
Let's go.
B1. I don't know what that is. This is a pig clock.
Everything on the side. Okay.
How you ding it? I don't know why it's not working, but you know,
Go ahead.
it works, but you don't know how to use it. This is like a clock. You make it thing. Let me help Dad. Okay, we got prom purse. This is a green veil. My favorite color. It'll become. And this is a pink stuffed animal. Oh, same thing for rabbit. This is decoration for your house or something. Goes connecting or something. Yeah.
Alright, sorry. Need ko og mag ano kanang exchange of some of the items kay dagko man di kaayo. So mas si Daddy ginaano niya he's the one doing it, repacking nicely. It's been a while, my friend. So ipa-exchange na to siya. So anyway, continue. We have a
More decoration for Christmas.
yes.
Next century.
That's right, for next century. Magamay man ako.
Okay, we got fanny pack. Camera,
Oh, yeah,
we use it
your
for
bed.
camera fanny pack. Here, look. Lips, floaty. Lips floaty. A nice owl decoration. Fake plant on it.
And we have a set of apparel. So naatay pants. Pambabae na lalaki. Boy or girl?
That actually goes with.
I think it's a girl. And a top. This is a maternity top. New with a top. Ayan. Ganun.
Okay. Got these brand new pink long socks with this T-shirt.
With the t-shirt.
Yeah, size very big for me, but for you maybe not.
And this is a travel water bottle. Put the water in here
Teka rin
and
na lang.
put the ice in here.
So ako siya gi-exchange to American Eagle Outfitters. Is that a shoulder bag or grocery bag?
Okay, we got a full 100% leather, made in the USA belt, roses on it.
And these are 2 flip-flops.
Indoor flip-flops, and this is a brand new T-shirt. Disney from Disney. That's Mickey Mouse. Mickey
Oh,
Mouse.
nice kaayo. And this one is from Disney as well?
Actually
From Disney. Mickey, Minnie.
And this is the computer.
Yay! We have ASUS, okay? Let's go open. Again guys, every box is natay pa computer. Magamay madako para kay Madam Sir.
Student or no student?
Okay, this is what we say.
This is a water bottle. Actually, looks like a croc shoe. You put your water bottle inside,
This one is already
and you carry it like this. I think, right?
This is a bell.
We got a pre-loved shirt from the boys, size 4T. Can you guys guess what this is? It's a banana holder. You put your bananas here so no ants can go and get it. Oh, ants can actually crawl up here.
Okay, home decor. Because why not?
Then this is a school backpack with a lunchbox.
Here, brown
Okay,
paper.
we got a full leather set of she's leather bag.
And this is New Mexico espresso cup.
This is a cupcake kit. You need to put cupcakes, I think. Yeah, cupcakes.
This is a very nice cup.
This is mine. This is how I think for Halloween. I think you like put it on your straw. Yep, on straw, and you drink out of the straw.
And this is Las Vegas big short.
You have a cute unicorn kids collector's bag. This is another bag. Another leather bag. Ding. You can actually put stuff in the bag.
Okay. This is that.
Got aqua colored Converse. Made here in the USA. I'm pretty sure.
Is that Converse? Nice. Okay, we have a Goldie placemat. A set of 3. Equals 1 item. Ayan. Guwapo kayo.
These are heart
Ganyan ka
glasses.
lang.
These are heart glasses. And also this is a pen.
Binawal. Babe. Binawal.
I get that. You just put it on the floor. I'll put it there.
It's flat, manggot.
Where's the other one of these?
Oh, did I get pen?
I already put in the backpack.
And this is Pre-Love from LV pants.
It's right.
This is some shoes, size 3. Some nice kid shoes. Yes. Okay, we got this new cute butterfly couch pillow. Outdoor, indoor. Got some spider earrings.
Yeah.
This is a big short, I mean, and size
Large. Really? There we got some Under Armour pink girls shoes, running shoes.
Oh.
And this is a bracelet.
Go ahead. We have a Nif hat and a underwear para sa imuhang baby girl. So cute.
This is like a set, so I'm gonna show you one. This one is for pregnant people,
Pregnant people. Maternity.
Wow, pregnant people.
and this is the I
Good
think,
luck.
pants. Done. Size, I don't know.
Sa gamay dako.
Live in the moment, brand new. Wait, Mom, no. TikTok.
Manid na.
And this is Puppy Love from me. A fast car, flying car.
Yeah, I already did that one. No, that one is okay. And we have a hoodie, color yellow.
Alright.
And one last thing. Alright, one last thing. Another backpack, see-through. Hala, matching sa akong color.
Very nice. Hey, you gonna wear that one today? Oh, you gotta go in the box. Get in the box.
Uy, na pa oh! Agoy.
Uh-oh.
Wait,
The rabbit.
Why you call? Wait,
This box is supposed to be here. This is bag. Mom, we swap it for that toy.
no, it's fine again.
Okay.
Because there's two things that I swapped. Of course,
Perfect.
there's a two left.
Okay, it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight. We're gonna
Sorry
get it.
na, sorry. Grabe kami kamukha. Itong first day mga training.
Who's
First,
gonna jump on top?
I mean, first back to work is like, hala, what have we done?
That's how it
This is a
everything.
really packed box.
Because what happened was we're supposed to put in a box already and you take it out and kuan.
For sure.
But what we did is we just like, okay, pick items
sorry.
and we counted it. So anyway, guys,
We're back.
hopefully it's 66 items.
I think it's 66 or 67.
66.
Ah,
It's okay.
67.
66.
Okay, magamay mo na ko. Balikbayan bags number 14.
14.
To the Philippines!
Good job, guys. Good job. I wonder who's gonna win.
Yeah, it'd be really nice.
How to win? Okay, how to win guys. Ang ato lang buhaton is PIF. Ang ato ang latest Balikbayan box from YT, which is here, the V family. Tapos, tag the P8 Forward page as your caption, and then DC to Yaya, how to DC lang po valid ID. Kailangan na to wakwak lagi kasi wakwak is labay. Kailangan dili hiwi, di po siya upside down. One time to send. Okay, kung wala, then wala. Kung nasuspended ka pa, ayaw sa og kuan ka ng entry. So ano ra? Congrats. Okay, let's
All right,
go.
drum roll. Dun, 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 dun.
We have to.
Tape. Fast forward.
Hala, nawala na sa akong gunting.
No way. I'm back with Junior.
Guys, that's akong gunting.
Whoa!
Somebody put it back there.
Good job.
Yellow.
Wow, that's a lot.